This one wants you to solve the equation on the interval 0 to 2 pi. This, to me, looks a lot like these equations that you guys used to factor. So even though it's in the form of a cosine, you're going to think of it like this basic equation that you used to factor. What did x squared always factor into?
X.
X and x. So I know I'm going to need a cosine x in one and a cosine x in the other. I have a factor in front of cosine though. What are the only two possible factors for that?
2 and 1.
So I have a 2 and a 1. And then I always wanted to know the factors of the 3 that somehow when combined here I get a negative 1 in the middle. So it's going to be negative 3 and positive 1. This will give me my negative 3, positive 2 leads to negative 1. And this still equals 0. Then we had a rule that says you can take each part and set it equal to 0 and solve. Do I need to really write this one in front of here? Okay. If I solve this, I'm going to add 3, and I get 2 cosine x equals 3, and then I'm going to divide by 2, so that cosine x equals 3 divided by 2. Can you guys look on the unit circle and find anywhere where the x coordinate is 3 over 2? Okay, so this isn't going to work. There's no spot on the unit circle where you're going to get the x to be 3 over 2. Here, though, I can subtract 1 and subtract 1. Where does cosine of x equal negative 1? At pi. So when you're solving that, pi is your answer, and you're done.